In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage multiple stops in the Uber app for a smooth and efficient ride planning experience. To start, open your Uber app. Once you're on the main screen, locate the Where To box. This is your gateway to pinpointing your journey from start to finish. Tap on this box to begin mapping out your new ride with precision. You may notice a small plus symbol. This feature is incredibly handy if you're making multiple stops along the way, perhaps picking up friends or running quick errands. Tap that plus symbol to add up to 5 extra stops on your route. It's a fantastic way to plan a comprehensive trip all within a single ride, ensuring you have everything covered right from the outset. After you've added your stops, tap Done to finalize and continue. It's important to bear in mind that your stops will be visited in the order you've added them. This sequence helps your driver manage the route effectively. Should you change your mind or no longer need a particular stop, simply tap the X next to the destination you wish to remove. This flexibility ensures your trip remains as efficient as possible. One thing to keep in mind is the timing of your stops. Aim to complete each stop within 3 minutes to avoid any additional charges. Quick, seamless stops not only help you stay on schedule, but also prevent unnecessary delays and fees. If you plan on splitting the fare with friends, keep in mind that the cost will be divided across the entire ride rather than by each individual stop. It's a convenient option for shared rides. However, transparent communication with your co-passengers is key to ensuring everyone is aware of the split method before the journey begins. The upfront price Uber shows you might change based on a few variables. Adjusting your plans by adding or removing stops, updating your destination midway, or altering your route can all affect the final fare. Additionally, unexpected tolls can also lead to adjustments, ensuring that the fare remains fair and reflects the services utilized during your trip. Be aware that other potential costs can arise. Wait time fees can be incurred if you take longer than anticipated to reach your designated pickup location. Similarly, multi-stop fees might be applied for the time spent at each stop on your journey, emphasizing the importance of those brief stops. By following these tips, you can optimize your ride experience, managing your route, costs, and stops more effectively. This feature in the Uber app is designed to make your ride planning process intuitive and tailored to your specific needs. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility of scheduling your entire trip with just a few taps.